Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT with the 1.5 liter turbo. Of course, you can get a 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, this 1.5 turbo, and then a 2 liter turbo, all increasing in levels of power as well as pound-feet of torque. Do like the cloth seats with the brown accent stitching. Total price comes to $32,340 as equipped with the confidence and convenience pack, which includes like forward collision warning, the power liftgate, remote start, all that fun stuff. But yeah, it's a really nice vehicle. The Equinox is not our entry-level SUV anymore, but our compact to mid-size SUV. Good amount of room. You pop this out to access your spare tire. It looks like there's some more storage down in there. You just slide that out. That makes sense. Pockets here. I think that's an access panel to get to the tail light. This is how you drop the seats. So if that's an access panel, how do you get to this side? Honestly, I'm not sure what that's there for, but it's there. There's your power liftgate. Really not a bad vehicle at all, especially for the price. Of course, taking on your RAV4 CRV vehicles like that. It does have heat, which is nice today. I like heat. Heat's good. Everything works very well. Valet mode now shuts off your radio. That basically makes it so a valet can't, steal your car. And of course, I mean, you can do a different code each time. So if, you'll see fingerprints accumulating or whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. Of course, garage door opener with 3 spots, which is actually pretty impressive. LED lights, nice. This is the second level. You have LS, then LT, LS being your entry level. Here is your forward collision alert. You can set that distance. You have your lane keep assist. And then you can scroll down the menus. What's this one? 6-speed automatic, that's right. But yeah, I'm trying to see performance. All right. Those of you curious to the horn, it's actually pretty good. I was expecting a lot smaller of a horn. The seating position's actually really up high. The dash is sunk down low. My seat is in its lowest setting. I always do that. I prefer it. Not only does it make it more comfortable for me, I just like being low down to the ground, but it provides a frame of reference for, my camera is always in the same spot, unless, I grow 2 feet overnight, which doesn't happen very often. So it just kind of provides a frame of reference for you guys watching the videos to see what the seating position is like. But as I said, the dash is very low down. It kind of does one of these. At the very end, it picks up. You can see the hood, which some people do prefer. .5 turbo is the middle of the road for the Equinox engine choices, with the 2.0 turbo being the top of the line and the 2.5 being entry level. 1.5 is my favorite. Well, no, I should say the 2.0 is my favorite, but the 1.5 is a perfect middle ground. Equinox shares a platform with the Buick Envision. That's it. Not the... Is it the Enclave? No, the Envision. It's the Envision and the GMC Terrain. Overall driving comfort, the seats are really comfortable for being the entry-level seats. The cloth, very durable material, it seems. It doesn't seem like it's going to rip, while still being pretty soft and, I was going to say pliable, but just kind of comfortable. It's really nice. Of course, as you work your way up the trim levels, leather interior is an option, or it's standard and like your top of the line stuff. But this is the middle of the road. I think the top of the line for the Equinox is the Premier. There might be like an LTZ trim level, but I think it goes, as far as what I've seen, LS, LT, LT leather, Premier. That's what I've seen. You can see, I mean, it's front wheel drive until you push your all-wheel drive button, but I just like to leave it in front drive. But with the snow incoming later this week, if I take any vehicles out, but I don't think I'll be driving vehicles in the snow during an active snowstorm, just in case of any incidents. But I don't know, maybe I'll drive some stuff around the lot, show you guys how they perform in snow. But I won't be taking them out for big drives during snowstorms. After the snowstorm, absolutely. But when it's actively snowing, I don't like to go out too much just because everybody around you is extremely, how do I put this politely, uneducated on how to drive in snow again. But alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.